Hi, I'm Andy Meyer with Efficiency Maine. Tens of thousands of Mainers own heat pump water heaters. They're popular because they produce lots of hot water, they can save thousands of dollars in electricity, and they help to dehumidify. Heat pump water heaters work like air conditioners, but rather than moving heat from the room to the outdoors, they move the heat from the room into the water tank. They can be highly efficient. For every 1 unit of electricity they use, 3 units of heat are added to the water. 1 from the electricity, plus 2 from the room. Because they typically have large tanks, heat pump water heaters can store plenty of hot water, so it's ready when needed. Compared to traditional electric water heaters, heat pump water heaters can save the typical Maine household hundreds of dollars in electricity every year. That's thousands of dollars over the life of the water heater. In addition to saving money, heat pump water heaters also dehumidify the space they're in while they heat water. But keep in mind that since they run based on demand for hot water and not humidity, they assist but don't replace dehumidifiers. Heat pump water heaters look and act like regular electric water heaters. They both have a cold water intake, a hot water output, an electrical connection, and a temperature pressure relief valve. The differences are they have a condensate drain line, air vents, and an air filter. Water removed from the air through dehumidification flows out through the condensate drain line. This can be gravity fed to a sump hole, washing machine drain, or sink. If necessary, it can also be pumped. Depending on the demand for hot water and the humidity, a heat pump water heater can remove roughly a gallon of water per day from the air. To ensure the air can easily flow through the unit and to enable easy access to the air filter, be sure to follow the recommended wall and ceiling clearances when installing a heat pump water heater. Picking the right location is important for heat pump water heaters. They are about as loud as a dehumidifier and may slightly cool the room they're in, so they're ideal for unoccupied basement rooms. Because the heat pump gets heat from the air around it, it needs to be installed in a room that stays above 35 degrees Fahrenheit and is at least 10 feet by 10 feet. If the room gets too cold, hybrid water heaters can automatically switch to electric mode until the room warms up again. The unit will still make plenty of hot water, but energy savings will be reduced. It's always a good idea to insulate pipes. Consider insulating the first few feet of the cold water pipes leading to the water heater and all of the accessible hot water pipes leaving the unit. Heat pump water heaters are pretty straightforward, but there are a few ways you can maximize your savings. Set the temperature according to your preference. In general, lower temperatures save energy, and higher temperatures allow the unit to handle more demand. High temperatures also increase the risk of scalding, so a common default setting is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you find you need more hot water, you can try increasing the temperature setting. To avoid scalding at high temperatures, a mixing valve can be installed. Most heat pump water heaters today are hybrids. They combine the energy savings of a heat pump with the faster heating capability of electric heating. Common modes are heat pump only mode, which saves the most energy, hybrid mode, which switches from heat pump to electric mode in high demand situations, and electric only mode. This is the most expensive mode and results in no savings compared to conventional electric water heaters. Most units also have a money-saving vacation mode. You enter how many days you'll be on vacation, and it will turn itself down while you're gone and come back on before you return, so there's plenty of hot water when you get home. As heat pump water heaters circulate air over their internal heat pump, a filter helps prevent dust from clogging the unit. The filter needs to be cleaned occasionally. Simply rinse or vacuum it clean. On efficiencymaine.com, you'll find information on heat pump water heaters, including the technology, rebates, financing, installation tips, user tips, and installers near you. Join the tens of thousands of Mainers who use heat pump water heaters. They love them because they make lots of hot water, can save thousands of dollars in electricity, and help dehumidify. The sooner you switch, the sooner you'll start enjoying these benefits. Hopefully, this video helped to explain what heat pump water heaters are, how they work, and how they can save you money. For more information, Visit our website or give us a call.